Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about the linear search. Let's first see what is linear search. So a linear search is just nothing but, so we have a array. So in that array, we are going to search an element if the element is present in that array or not. To check that, we are going to check the element one by one until we get the element is found. So we can search the element in sorted array and unsorted array also. The time complexity big of n and our space complexity is big of n, no, big of 1. So here the worst case, if the element is present in at n or not present, so it is a worst case. If the element is present in the first or in the first half, it is a best case. So in space complexity we have O of n, which means we no need any extra memory. Let's see the scenario. So in a class we have a 30 students we and our task is to find the roll number 18 in the list. So now we are going to start from the first student. We are checking one by one. So until we found the 18th roll number. So if we find the 18th roll number, we stop and we print that. So when you find the roll number 18, you will stop the searching. If you not found the 18th roll number till when you finish, when you check all the 30 student, if you not found the 18th student, then he is not a present. Then he is not present today. So this is how exactly work the linear search. So our task is to find the element in a array, well, like in one by one. We have to traverse each and every element in the array. So let's see the approach. So at first we are going to start from the first element of the array and we are going to compare the current element with the our target element. So if it match, return the position. So if doesn't match, we have to move to the next element. So this process will repeat until we find the element. So if we don't find the element and print the element is not present. Let's see the pseudocode for the linear search. So in a linear search, so we are going to so in a linear search. So here we have used the function. So here the array will call. So here n are n number of times how many times the loop is going to run and our key value. So the loop starts from 0 and end with the n minus 1 index, which is last index of the array. So now we are going to compare. So array of 5, which the current element is equal to key value. So if we found the key value, so it will return, otherwise it will return the index minus 1. So let's go. Let's create a class here. Okay, linear search. So our main class and scanner. So let's take the input n equal to, which is our length of the array. So let's declare the array. So let's get element from the user, which is our target element. So int target equal to se dot next int. So here we are going to loop. We are going to traverse each and every element. So here we are giving a condition. if array of y, which is our current element, is equal to target. If we found our target element, we have to print, wait. So if we found our target element, we have to print the index, which is I, comma, array of I. And we have to terminate the loop. So let's use the break condition. So break condition is nothing but which exit the loop. So let's run this code. Okay, let's run this code. So our element 5. So let's give our target element. Target element is 40. So our 40 is at third index and our element is 40. So 0th index, first index, second index and third index. So we found a target element at the index number 3. So let's do the iteration. So our key element is 40 here, which is our target element. And we have the array 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So here we are going to check the target element, which is key element in the array. So uh, in which index the key element is present, we have to find it. So to find the key element, we have to traverse the array and we have to check the each and every index. So at first we are going to check the key value 40 with the first index 10. So here 40 equal to 10. So it is not true. So we are So 40 equal to 10. So it's not true. So it move to the second index. And second index we have the 20th element. So we are checking these two elements 40 and 20. So here 40 and 20 is not equal. So it moved to the next index which we have 30. And it checked with the 40 and 30 which are key element. So our key element is 40 and third index, our key element is 40 and next index is 30. So by checking these two, it's not equal. So we are going to move the next. We are going to move the next index. So our next index we have 40. So our key value equal to 40 and our fourth index value equal to 40. So the both value are equal. So we are going to print the index and the element and break the condition. So we have used the break condition, so it would go to the next index. So here it will print and terminate the loop. Thank you.